Good medical morning. Today, we're looking at pimple popping and medical videos from around the world. Let's start in Russia with Dr. Chernyshev's most popular video. It appears to be an infected facial cyst. The title translates to abscess removed from a 12-year-old child. On to India, where we'll visit Dr. Vikram Yadav. Here are a few examples of Dr. Vikram's blackhead removals. Again, we'll put a link to his amazing channel in the description below. Let's show you 4 quick pops, but I don't want to infringe on his copyright, so watch the full videos below. Before I continue, don't forget that there's a link to the best blackhead removal tools on Amazon in the description. From Australia is Dr. Davin Lim. He's a board-certified laser dermatologist. His channel has about 300,000 subscribers, and he's one of the most knowledgeable medical professionals I've ever seen. When it comes to estheticians, there's nobody better at treating acne correctly than Josefa Reina, who comes to YouTube from Spain. Josefa is an amazingly skilled medical professional. Let's not forget about Africa, which has Jim Nudaruchi treating jiggers, also known as shigo fleas, and Mika popping mango worms. And now an up-and-comer from Asia. This is the Tweezist in action. I'll also put a link to her channel in the description. So comment below who's your favorite US-based pimple popper or medical professional. While you answer that, let's take a look at a pimple popping kit that I personally use.